What? Why are you being sassy?
Get a pair of huskies, they said. They're a lot of fun, they said. They're cute and cuddly and they'll keep each other company, they said. On your long hours of day, when you come home, they'll come and play with you the moment you arrive, they said. Well, what the ass?
Oh my god! Oh.
Jax, let me get an hour. I said an hour. Hour.
I'm saying, okay. I need green light.
Near the water, and I turn around, I see this. Hella studious. Look at this studious ass fool. Damn. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Oh! Let's go. We are going outside.
This is my hair wet. A little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you.
Minushka, are you tired? Did you have a long day? Were you kept up all night by the chirping of the bullfrogs not letting you sleep? It's a shame. Look at how sleepy she is.
Somebody call 999. We've got a cutie bomb on our hands. Oh, did you just live? Well done.
Rocky, what are you doing up there? Mom, Rocky's on the table again. He won't get down. Get down before I call Mum. I'll call Mum.
Rocky, what are you doing on the table? Get down.
Don't go.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
True. I have an important question to ask you. I have a really important question. Can you look at me for a second? Are you my best friend? Are you my best friend? Do you?
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, 'cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop. That's right. Boop.
Oh my god, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
Everybody's so obsessed when girls bite their bottom lip, but I'm like, bite your top lip for me, baby. You my little piranha.
Parkour! Michael, Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. You want me to let you outside for the 50th time?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Mom, do you need my help? Do you need me to do anything? Do you need me to come in here? Do you need a snack? Hey, Mom, do you need a pillow? Mom, when's the last time you ate?
Dog teaching our younger dog to ring the potty bell. You guys ringing the bell? You ringing the bell?
Simba! Simba! Go, 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 go!
I am a cutie patootie. What? Yeah. So I just want you to know that I am a cutie patootie.
Why are you mad?
Somebody call 999. We've got a cutie bomb on our hands. Oh, did you just live?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Rocky, what are you doing up there? Mom, Rocky's on the table again. He won't get down. Get down before I call Mum. I'll call Mum.
Rocky, what are you doing on the table? Get down.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, 'cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop. That's right. Boop.
Oh my God, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
Pull? Pull?
If you're hungry and you know it, say, oh. If you're hungry and you know it, say, oh. If you're hungry and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're hungry and you know it, say, oh.
You know you just